In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Oculus game code. To redeem a game code on Oculus platform, first open your Oculus application or your MetaQuest application and log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, tap the settings button on the display. Under settings, scroll down and look for Redeem Store Code option and tap on it. Here in this page, a window will pop up asking you to enter your redeemable code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears, and remember that the codes are usually a combination of letters and numbers. And finally, after typing it in, tap on the Submit button. If the code is valid and hasn't been used before, you'll receive a confirmation indicating that the game or content has been added to your account. That is how you should be able to redeem Oculus game code. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.